Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today, what we'll be doing is we'll be getting a glimpse over the ERP tool Odoo. Odoo is basically the platform on which various apps have been made, including the website for UED as well. So, what we'll be doing is we'll be getting a glimpse over this platform. For that, what we need to do initially is we need to click on to try it free. What we'll be doing is we'll be making a comparison between what I had been making through Wix and what do Odoo offer. Let me first try it out by creating the website. Let's click on to website, continue. Okay, here I have to fill in the details. I'll be filling it up automatically. I'll be giving the same name, that is ProRecruit. Start now. Okay, so it is saying welcome to Odoo, the one platform you will never need to transform all your activities. Yes, that is true. Odoo is a platform wherein we can integrate different kinds of applications, including the project management ones, including the marketing apps, email marketing ones as well, the ad campaigns as well. Then we can integrate e-learning platforms, e-commerce stores, and various other CRM hubs like Salesforce, Taskforce. Okay, so here what it is saying us is ready to build the perfect website. We click on to let's do it. I want a website. So it is asking me the category, what sort of category you're looking onto. So I'll simply write recruitment. If it comes, I'll be choosing recruiter, headhunter with the main objective to get leads. Here it is asking me about the color palette. I'll be choosing this one. So which pages do I require? I require about us, I require services, I require pricing plan. Blogs are already there in the previous website as well. A live chat, appointment, career. Okay, so now we'll click on to build my website. Here it is giving me the different kinds of themes. I'll choose this one. Now let's see how the app basically looks like, the website. The best part about Odoo is its integrations. Till the time Odoo is preparing our website, let's see what Google has to say about Odoo. So Odoo is a comprehensive open source ERP software suite designed to manage all business operations within one platform. It is used to integrate sales, CRM, accounting, inventory, manufacturing, and e-commerce, allowing companies to automate processes, reduce manual work, and streamline workflows. Yes, the different integrations can help automate everything as well. So here, coming back to the website, um, what it has made for us is the main layout, the architecture for the website. Now, what we need to do is we'll be making amendments according to the keyword search, or otherwise the plan that we have in our mind as well. For example, if you want to change the number, sorry, I do not remember my number. Mm, We'll copy this. Um, we'll click on the edit part. We'll click on to edit. We'll paste. We click on to apply. So now it would change. Then moving on to the next part, if I want to edit any content from here, like I do not want 24/7, I can simply backspace and delete that part. So all in all the pages have been made. We can simply edit over here. It is basically made on WordPress, if I'm not wrong. Okay, we can see a few mistakes over here as well. We can realign those, but for now, let's see the pages. It's the home page, then there is the services page. There are different features. We can divide it by features, otherwise we can make the kind of categories that we want. Here's the pricing plan. The beginner is $15 per month. Professional is $500 per placement. We can customize the pricing as well according to our needs. Then there is the news page, about us page, appointment setting page, and carrier portal as well. So this is the complete platform. Here are three options. These are the tabs that we need to look onto. This is the optimize SEO part. These are the properties. And then these are the configurations. From here we can see the settings, so we can see the apps. So here are the different apps that we can add up or add into our website in order to track our website. So here is one module, the online job module, wherein it would manage the complete hiring process from the person applying onto the company, then collecting CVs, managing CVs, whether hired or not, if there is any contract, whether the interview has been scheduled, all those updates would be given through this platform. Then there is a form creating part as well, wherein contact form would help us to generate leads if it is installed. So here are all the different apps. So if you want to go on to our settings, yet I have not purchased any domain in order to connect it with this part. Here we can see we have the recruitment part and the employees part. So this is all for Odoo. If you want to connect any other app along with that, we have to choose the configuration part. For having analytics of how our pages are performing, we have to see the reporting part. And if you want to see the content or edit the content, we need to click onto the side part. This is all for the tutorial of Odoo.